So now we're going to talk about setting your VersaRest up for the cable actuation setup. I got this bow set already configured that way. Before we get into some of the details of the setup, let's talk about a little bit about why you would want to set it up this way. In the event on the top or bottom limb actuation configuration with the limb clamps, you don't have enough clearance maybe for your hunting quiver, this is a great option that you can exercise if you run into that problem. Another time you might want to use this configuration is if the limb clamp and the cam and the solid limb doesn't allow you to mount the limb clamp on the limb the way you want to, or doesn't give you enough clearance. This is another option you can exercise to still use the VersaRest in an actuation mode. So let's talk about some of the details. First thing you notice about the cable actuation mode is the string, this pull cord is tight. On follow-away rests, I'll show you in another segment how this cable is, the tethered cord is loose. So that's the first thing. You would run it through your cable, you put your bow on a bow press, you would run the cable through here, run it around the set screw, run it through the hole as a secondary feature, and then tighten down the secondary set screw here. While doing that, you'll hold the rest in the down configuration, and it's literally that simple. You just snug up all the bolts here, you make sure the cord is tight and your rest is in the down position. You can go ahead and serve the cord in right here on your cable, and you're literally ready to shoot. Of course, this assumes that you already set and gone through your center shot exercise before you get to this step. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the bow back right now to show you how that cable configuration works with the VersaRest. You can see at full draw the cable is loose, and then when the bow's at rest the cable is tight. On a conventional follow-away, which I'll show you next, it's exactly the opposite. So let's talk about the follow-away configurations next.